Hi, my followers. My name is Tural. Today I am with you with an interesting topic, which many people want to learn. Let those who are engaged in or interested in geoscience come to screen. Most people think that oil collects underground like a big lake, but this is completely wrong. In reality, oil is not stored in open caves or empty spaces beneath the earth. Oil exists inside rocks, within tiny pores. You can think of it like a sponge, just as water fills the small spaces inside the sponge. Oil is distributed within the rock. In geology, this property is called porosity. However, oil doesn't stay in one place because it is lighter than water. It naturally moves upward through the subsurface. If nothing stops it, it can eventually reach the surface and disappear. This is where a trap system comes into play. A trap is a geological structure that stops uh, upward movement of oil and holds it in place. These traps can form in different ways, such as folded rock layers or where different rock types block the pathway. The most important part of the system is the sealing layer, known as the caprock. This layer is impermeable and prevents oil from moving further upward. You can think of it like the lid of a jar. Without it, nothing would stay inside. Geologists aim to find these trapped accumulations of oil. However, it is not always accurate, and sometimes a drilled well turns out to be completely dry. Some wells turn out to be dry mainly due to geological uncertainty and risk. Science geologists cannot directly see the subsurface. They rely on seismic interpretation and models to make predictions. Sometimes the trap is not properly formed, the cap rock is not effective, or there is simply no oil accumulation in that area. In other cases, migration may not have occurred, or the oil may have leaked away over time. As a result, despite all calculation and analysis, a drill well can end up being dry. That's all I have to say for today. I hope we talk about topic and that you will like. You can ask your question or question related to the topic in the comments. It is enough to subscribe to the channel for the continuation of such topics. Thanks for watching.